there. The base, it looks like the tip is nicked. Deadly base. They're out here. Yeah, first one, I'm on board. Yeah, Bubba. Oh, tip, tip, tip. Yes. We have tippage, ladies. Oh, yeah. Beauty. Woo! So happy. Yeah! Get her done. Right. Enough time for nothing. Could it be number 2? Hard to say. Oh yeah. Good deal. Woo! Alright. In the wind. Nice base. Yeah. Thank you, Father in heaven. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Bison tooth. Hey guys, there it is, right there. Look at that. Cornered and tipped, but it's still beautiful. Just out rock hounding, there's a crinoid. Peace out. Oh, nice one. Good job, Kurt. Snap that sucker. Beautiful. Oh yeah, on the board. Good job, Kurt. Nice tool. Jim might be on the board right here. It's flint. Ooh. Yeah! Good job, Jim. Alright. Nice. Jim's on the board. Everybody's got one now. Cool. Wow. Alright. Oh, there's a shell. Shell fossil. There it is. Today's rock hounding rock hounds. Petrified wood, pink agates, pieces of slate, holy rocks. Good haul. Well, there's our day. Bunch of pieces, 3 points, 3 casers, 2 casers, 1 caser. Got some Lake Superior agates. Bison tooth. Great day. Good to see you guys. See you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.